friends, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is something about haul. तो मैंने recently Nykaa से कुछ खरीदा था and I just wanted to share with all of you, and everything is below 1500. So and the starting price is around 495. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so now पहली चीज़ है this t-shirt. So this is a griffle green t-shirt. I love the color. Actually, it's so refreshing, and this is how it looks. So somewhere on the screen I'll show the looks that I have created by wearing these dresses, and you can see if you like them, those you can also recreate, or you can have your own thoughts of putting it in these clothes. Okay, so this is the first one. So it's written stunner, and you can see the color is very refreshing, और इसका मटेरियल बहुत कंफर्टेबल है. लाइक मुझे ये 499 में मिला था. द एक्चुअल प्राइस इज 999. मुझे ऑलमोस्ट 50% डिस्काउंट मिला नायका से. सो दिस इज अ वंडरफुल टी शर्ट दैट आई गॉट. इसको मैं डेली यूज़ में, मतलब डेली इन द सेंस लाइक इफ़ आई गो डाउन स्टेयर समवेयर, थोड़ा बहुत अगर नीचे शॉपिंग के लिए गई, ग्रॉसरी, सो ग्रॉसरी शॉपिंग के लिए, सो आई जस्ट वेयर दिस वेरी कंफर्टेबल. And I'll put up the picture that I have created with this particular t-shirt. Okay, now the second one is, I think many of you will like this one because it's one of the t-shirts that has the quote of Friends. So मैंने just ये Friends का quote देके खरीदा था. I literally love it. And क्योंकि नायका से है, इसका material anyways आपको, if you have done shopping from Nykaa previously, तो आपको पता होगा इसका जो मटेरियल होता है कपड़ों का, इट्स वेरी वेरी कंफर्टेबल, इट्स वेरी गुड. ओके, एंड ये मुझे 495 में मिला था, बट आई थिंक इट्स वर्थ इट बिकॉज ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स वाला कोट जो इसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है. सो आई जस्ट लव इट. आई विल अगेन पुट अप द पिक्चर समवेयर ऑन द स्क्रीन. यू कैन सी द लुक दैट आई हैव क्रिएटेड विद दिस पर्टिकुलर टी शर्ट. मैंने इसके साथ एक्चुअली एक ब्लैक कलर की मिडी पहनी थी, and I have covered it up with a t-shirt, so sorry, a jacket. So this is the look that I have created. Hope you like it. So now the third one is, this is also one of my favorites because शायद ये मेरा पहला थोड़ा सा off shoulder dress होगा, है actually. So I have never worn this kind of dress before, and the best part is इसका material. It's, if you can see the material, it's super comfortable, and also it's little bit stretchable. Okay, so और इसका जो गले का डिज़ाइन है, ये कुछ दिखने में ऐसा है. So this one will come as a one shoulder, and दूसरा वाला is something like this. This is also a very nice thing that I got from Nykaa, and इसका ये भी मुझे डिस्काउंट में मिला था. The price was around 1299 and I got it for 1080 rupees. So almost I got 40% discount. And इसका जो ये waist line है ना, this comes a little bit up of your waist. So waist से थोड़ा सा ऊपर आता है, which gives a very sleek kind of look. And I paired it up with black boots. Sorry, there is some construction going on मेरे neighborhood में, so इसके please ignore the voice. तो ये it gives a very sleek look. So this is also a good buy that I got from Nykaa, and I literally love it. I have already worn it thrice, I think. So check out the look that I created with it. So now the fourth one. So fourth one is a kurta. It's actually a black color kurta, which this one also I like it. The kurta is very plain, so it's basic black kurta, if you can see. Okay, it's little bit of, यहाँ पे हल्का सा golden का काम है, बहुत ही light. And with this the pajamas are very good because pajamas में नीचे में you can see there is little bit of काम किया हुआ है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा काम किया हुआ है. I think this is Jaipuri design, sort of Rajasthani design, so ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And the dupatta is fully काम वाला दुपट्टा है. This is the entire dupatta. Okay, I'll show it like this. So this is the dupatta. यहाँ ऊपर में भी काम है and नीचे में भी काम है. So you can, so because you know dupatta में ज़्यादा काम है, so the kurta is plain and it looks very good. So I had paired it up with some bangles and earrings and a chain. So that was all my look for this particular dress. Okay, now the next one is, yeah, this is something, this is a skirt. It's a mini skirt. So there's a story behind it. Actually when I was small और मैं देहरादून में रहती थी, so you know मैं हमेशा सोचती थी कि because I saw that movie रंगीला आई थी उस समय, so I wanted to wear this kind of skirt from since then. And उसके बाद you know कभी मौका ही नहीं मिला या फिर दिमाग से निकल गया, I don't know, but मैंने कभी नहीं पहना ये स्कर्ट. और जब मैं ऑफिस, मतलब जब मैंने ऑफिस ज्वाइन किया, so I gained some weight, okay, and I didn't get something which I could wear, and मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि I didn't feel comfortable with this. तो इसलिए फिर मैंने I just quit that idea. But then फिर मुझे recently मैंने योगा वगैरह ज्वाइन किया ना, I lost some weight and somehow this skirt मुझे दिख गया and I just bought it. I just bought it without even thinking, and I created some good look. I think इस skirt का looks best है. If you can see the picture, I have paired it up with a t-shirt and black boots, so that looks good. And plus I think वो आपको background में दिख रहा होगा some greenery या cloudy thing, so that actually added up to the look. So this was one of my best picks from Nykaa. And इसका price, sorry I forgot to tell the price of the suit also. So the suit was 1375. The actual price was 2499. So I got a very good deal on this. It was almost 45% off. And इस skirt का price है I think yeah it was 1599, and I had a coupon code, तो मैंने वो apply किया था and I got it for 1500. So yeah, this skirt. Now the next one is a frock. So it's a very cute little frock. If you remember, ऐसे फ्रॉक्स हम बचपन में पहनते थे. आई थिंक 90s वाले किड्स को पता होगा. माई मदर और माई सिस्टर यूज टू ऐसे फ्रॉक्स घर में बना के रखे. शी यूज टू गिव इट टू मी. तो ये दिस इज द फ्रॉक. It's sleeveless and it's very cute. इसका floral print is like I like the floral print of this frock. And ये see through बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, because there is a good इसके अंदर लाइनिंग बहुत अच्छी दी हुई है. So it's not see through and it's super comfortable. And मतलब आप कभी भी ऐसे मतलब रेगुलर हॉलीडेज वगैरह में पहन सकते हो, कहीं जा रहे हो. So it's and it's knee length. So I think I have paired it up with white shoes for this frock. So yeah, this is also a good buy. And I bought this frock in 1080. So the actual price was 1299 and I got 40% off on this frock. Okay, so now the last one are my yoga pants. So as I told you कि मैंने recently start किया है योगा वगैरह. So not recently, February से. So I was looking for some super comfortable pants so I can stretch my legs. So yeah, this one is a good buy. And मुझे पता नहीं एक नज़र में ही पसंद आ गया था. Of course इसका red color attracted me, and इसका जो साइड का जो ग्रे पे साइड्स दिए हुए हैं वो भी मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. And the material is very very comfortable. Like if you are looking for a yoga or exercise pant, you should literally check this out. So it is like ये बहुत flexible है. You can see it, ठीक है, ये बहुत flexible है. So you can, yeah, this one this track pant I got in 910 rupees and the actual price was 1299. I got 30% off on this product. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video, and I'll link all the products in the description box. Please check it out on Nykaa. And one more thing, it's not a paid it's not a promotion video. I have not been paid from Nykaa for this. Just I have bought this and I wanted to share with all of you. So check this out, and please do let me know in the comment section how did you like the video. And do subscribe to my channel so that you can it gives us a lot of motivation. So yeah, keep checking out my YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.